Thank you for reaching FDC4 production. Let's go straight to the point. As usual, I always bring value to you guys, and best of everything, for free. What I'm getting to you this time is getting free Office software. Many of you know that Microsoft Office remains the most popular productivity software around. It is not free, of course, and many people waffle on whether to buy it. Fortunately, you can get pretty much the same power and performance without the hefty price tag. First, there is an open source Office suite called LibreOffice. Some people call it in Spanish Libre. This suite offers 6 programs that will feel instantly familiar if you have ever used Office. Writer, Calc, and Impress are equivalent to Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Once you download, you definitely will find out. Writer, well, even better, it can open and edit the documents you made in Office and can save new files in Office format. Let's take a little bit more about this. Take a look at a little bit more. What is LibreOffice? LibreOffice is a powerful and free Office suite, a successor to OpenOffice.org. Used by millions of people around the world, its clean interface and feature-rich tool help you to unleash your creativity and enhance your productivity. LibreOffice includes several applications that make it the most versatile, free, and open source Office suite on the market. Writer, word processing, Calc, spreadsheets, Impress, presentations, Draw, vector graphic and flowchart, Base, database, and Math, formula editing. Great looking, well structured documents. Your document will look professional and clean regardless of their purpose. A letter, a master thesis, a brochure, financial report, marketing presentation, technical drawings, and diagrams. LibreOffice makes your work look great while you're focused on the content thanks to its powerful stylus system and structuring tools. I'm not going to continue to keep reading on this. If you want to find more information about this, you can always go to LibreOffice.org, and I definitely want to put the URL down into my video so you can have more information about this. They also offer a video about this. Hopefully I don't get actually tagged by the YouTube algorithm with this, but I'm really gonna show it to you so you have an idea about this. But I'm telling you, when it comes about for free, hey, I'm all the way. And I don't know if some of you have felt the stress and the frustration, like you have been like when you buy a new computer, right? It depends on the deal that you get, of course. You can actually get a deal with Microsoft Word and stuff like that, and you know, and get like probably a year or two or Microsoft system in your computer. But after that, you got to pay for it. When the time comes, you actually figure it out, or well, you figure it out in a very inconvenient way when you definitely gonna need to use your Microsoft Word and you see that it doesn't let you in. It tells you that you gotta go to the Microsoft website and you gotta actually update and you gotta pay for it. Of course, you gotta buy the software. Unless you don't have a friend or somebody that can hook you up with an old Microsoft version, you're done. You gotta actually pay a hefty amount of money in order to update the software for How long, I don't know, but I mean, you can. I mean, well, you will stay with that version until if there is a new one. That's it. I mean, you're done. This is the business out there, and sometimes I get a little bit skeptical about this type of stuff because before when you CD you can download it and stuff like that, but things business are getting very lucrative nowadays. And I don't know. I mean, I just look for way that benefit my pockets. And let's take a look at this. Yeah, I'm gonna keep it at this size. I'm not gonna maximize it. Again, I don't really want to get hit by the algorithm on YouTube, but you can always go to this page and have information about it. But I'm gonna show you a little bit more about this so you have an idea. Same as Excel. Yeah, vectors and graphic flowcharts. Same thing. There you go. All right, I'm gonna leave it up to that point. Again, I don't want to get hit by the algorithm. I never did, and I don't planning to get hit by first time. Um, but I just wanted to give you a clear presentation of what LibreOffice can do for you. And there are more and more and more that you can actually obtain. In case you have more doubt about it, this is a very legitimate website that you can actually get, and of course have opportunity and all this system. Um, um, I love it. Many friend of mine has it, and I gotta tell you, they haven't complained about that. Now, some of you might say, okay, Frank, why you don't download it for the sake of the audience in the video? Well, this is my catch. Another great free tool, well, I mean online option that you can actually obtain from is called Google Docs. Right here. Google Docs. This is actually the documents that I have, and Google Docs is more than just a word processor. It's an entire suite of productivity programs that have become steadily more powerful over the years of development. Next time you need to store a spreadsheet, build a presentation, create a form, or make a digital drawing, you can try to Google Doc sheets, slides, and or others, and see if it's something that you can use in here. Come on. Google Docs is actually available right there at your own hands. You can use docs, you can use sheets, you can actually slides, and you can use form. It's all there. It comes actually in your own Google Chrome. If you're a Chrome user, I mean, pretty much it's there. I love it. It's actually really handy. It actually comes right. Right off of my use in there, and I don't have any problems. You can actually use Google Docs, and It's a very versatile, very idea, very good idea, and it's free. So what does Google means to you? Perhaps it's just how you search the internet, or maybe Google Docs is your main word processing program. It is simply your email provider. That's as far as many people go with Google, but the tech giant offered a lot more than that, and that's what I was trying to explain. Google fans looking to get more out of their online experience will discover there are actually plenty of these new words to explore, especially when it comes to Docs, Google Online Office Suite. Um, what else I can tell you about this? Google Docs is more than just a word processor. It's an entire suite of programs that have gotten steadily more powerful over the years of development. You can expand your horizon the next time you need to start a spreadsheet, build a presentation, create a form, or make a digital drawing. These are all options open to you when you start a new project in Docs. You can also make use of Google Handle templates for everything from resume to brochure to book reports. You can find these on your main Google Docs page, which I already saw it to you here. And these tools are particularly handy for the people on a budget who don't have access to the suite like a Microsoft Office. See what I'm trying to tell you? You can go wrong with this. It's free. And as usual, here myself, I always gonna try to bring you quality and of course free into your life. If you have any further concerns, please don't hesitate to leave your questions below. My name is Franklin, and thank you for using FDC for production. Have a wonderful day. Ciao.